Hey beauties, are you tired of the same old hairstyle every day? Well, get ready because today I'm showing you some super cute and easy hairstyles that will instantly level up your look. Let's get started. 1. Take 2 sections of hair from both sides, then grab a small portion of hair from the front on each side. Flip them back and secure them into a ponytail. Gently pull out a few strands from the front to frame your face for a soft, cute look. 2. Take sections from both sides, make a ponytail, and flip the hair back through it. Leave some space, create another ponytail below, and repeat the process for a cascading effect. Do the same on the other side for a chic, effortless look. 3. Part your hair, take a middle section, and create a thin braid. Then, take hair from both sides of the braid and weave another braid along it. Secure both with a ribbon for a cute finish. Repeat on the other side for a balanced look. 4. For short hair, take small sections from the front on both sides and create mini ponytails. Twist each one inward for a soft, elegant look. Secure with a cute clip for a stylish finish. You can also curl your front hairs for an extra touch of charm. 5. Part your hair into sections. Then take a small section of hair from the front on both sides and create mini braids. Tie a cute ribbon at the top of each braid, near your head, for a playful and stylish touch. 6. Part your hair into 2 sections, secure the rest with a hair catcher, and sleek the front hair with hairspray under your ears. Braid the top sections, then gather all the hair into a high ponytail at the back, leaving the front hair neatly framed around your face. 7. Take the front hair from both sides, twist them back, and secure with a braid. For the last strand of the braid, insert the remaining hair into it, creating a seamless look. Repeat the same on the other side for a balanced, chic style. 8. Part your hair into sections and create braids on both sides. Gently squish the braids to make them looser for a relaxed look. Gather the rest of your hair and tie it into the braids. Then finish with a cute ribbon pin at the end for a fun and stylish touch. 9. Take hair from the back of one side section, leaving the front hair. Create a bun with the back hair, securing it with a ponytail and pins. Then, take the front hair in 2 layers. First, wrap the front layer around the top of the bun, leaving a few strands loose. Next, wrap the second front layer around the bun, again leaving a few strands free. Repeat the same on the other side for a balanced and elegant look. 10. Leave a few strands of hair from the front, then create a mini braid with them. Gather the rest of the hair and tie it into a ponytail, incorporating the braid. Repeat the same on the other side, and finish with a cute ribbon for a playful touch. 11. Take some hair from the top of your head and secure it into a ponytail. Then, take more hair from the top and add it to the ponytail, making another pony. Cross the hair over and insert the ponytail into the section, leaving a few strands from the ponytail on both sides for a soft, chic look. 12. Braid all your hair at the top, then twist it into a bun and secure it with pins. Finish with a mini bow for an adorable and stylish look. 13. Part your hair into sections and create braids from the front to the back at the head point. Secure each with a ponytail on both sides. Then, weave a ribbon through one braid to the other and tie it into a cute bow for a stylish finish. 14. Gather some hair from one side and tie it with a mini ponytail, then twist it. Leave some space, gather more hair from the sides, make another mini ponytail, and twist it again. Repeat the same on the other side for a stylish and structured look. 15. For curly hair, secure some hair at the top with a claw clip. Create mini braids from the front on both sides and cross them over the bun, securing them with pins. Then, release the bun and gather hair from both sides for a voluminous, stylish look. These are the 15 best hairstyles you can try in 2025 for the perfect look. Which one is your favorite? See you next time, gorgeous.